this is happening. The crafting is beginning. Okay, so this is one of my finished ornaments, and as you see, I put the silver leaf on the sides. I added a bow. I put my dangle on and used this bow or whatever ribbon, and then I made it like I put the V in it to make it look like a bow. But this is, there's my cat. This is how this one is going to look. Now, I'm still in the process. A lot of them are still drying. In fact, most of them are drying. So, this is how this one looks. Now, what I plan on doing is putting on the bottom, I'm going to put, I bought all these angel hearts on Amazon. Actually, only 5 came in the pack, but these are big. You can make ornaments, you know, into these. But of course, I need to take it a step further, and I'm putting that dangle in the middle. Or I might take some loops off so that this way the crystal ball goes just in the middle like that and just dangles. So I'll have to take probably maybe 2 loops. Maybe 2 loops. I was going to have it like that, but then, I don't know, I just think it looks better if it's centered and it's shorter. And I'm going to put it on the bottom here. Of course, I was going to have this prepared for you guys, but I am not. So I was going to do that, and it would just hang. Now, yes, this is large to put on a Christmas tree. I agree. But sometimes people just hang this as decorations by their windows, or, as I said, a sun catcher. Oops. Sun catcher. You know, maybe just a decoration around the holidays, or maybe something they want to adorn on their dining room table to reminisce a loved one, because this is, like I said, the little poem about saving a chair for a loved one who's in heaven. Okay, so that's that. So, as I said, I put bows and the green leaf. I put the bales on, and I decided to take everyone's suggestion and call these sugar cookie ornaments. So, anyhow, so that's what's going on. I'm gonna, someone had asked where I got these from. These are from Amazon. I got a whole bunch of these. And these I got at Michael's. They were only 19 cents each. Another question was where I got these dangles from. You just search chandelier crystals and you can find them. I just didn't want to make my own dangles. I just wasn't feeling it. And sorry, my refrigerator is going, or ice maker in the background. But I will put the links for those. So hopefully by the time tomorrow, I'll make another video and these will be done. And my whole dining room is full of crafts. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.